Hi, I'm Hercules. I brought the olive tree from North Africa to Rome.
Hi, I'm Isis, the goddess of the ancient Egyptians. I introduced the olive and its bountiful harvest to humanity.
Hi, I'm Adam. The olive tree grew on the ground of my tomb.
Hi, I'm Minerva, the Roman goddess. I taught the Roman people the art of cultivation of the olive tree and how to extract its oil.
Olive trees have really been around since the beginning of time, from ancient Greece and Rome to even stories in the Bible. But really most important in ancient Greece, the legend actually comes from a Greek myth where Poseidon and Athena were having a contest to see who could make the most valuable gift. And Athena won the contest by producing an olive tree. So it shows really how valuable they were in Greek society. So
I will win. I will create a spring that'll produce water. Water is a symbol of strength and power and an aid in war, you know. I bet no matter what you do, you won't win. My gift is the best.
Keep talking, peasant. I have a great gift. I will throw my spear into the ground and create an olive tree. The olive tree is a symbol of peace and a provider of food and fuel. Let's see what the people say is the most useful gift. I won. Now the new city is going to be named after me, Athens. Yay.
So, let's cut straight to the chase. What did the Greeks use olive oil for?
Well, it obviously came from the olive tree, right? And straight from olives. And they would use it as fuel for lamps and every cosmetic purpose imaginable.
What are some of the modern uses of olive oil?
Well, clearly it's used in cooking often, but the biggest use that most people probably don't know is it's in soap.
Huh.
It's one of the main ingredients, actually.
So,
I think that the fat from cooking would drip into the fire, and it wouldn't be too difficult to realize that when it came in contact with water, it formed this foamy lather that removed all the grease and such from their cooking utensils.
my eyes have been opened.
There were strict rules in ancient Greece to protect olive oil.
What were the effects of these rules?
It destroyed the woodlands and dried up springs. Greece relied so much on olive oil that it had to import more food items when they couldn't grow it anymore. It was also one of the reasons of the decline of classical Greece.
That's horrible. All because of the olive tree?
Society.
Well, it became a very, very valuable item, obviously, and so they would trade it to countries all over that area of the world.
So you'd say there was an economic need.
Yes, and so it actually became the most important trade commodity in this area of the world, starting around 2000 BC.
Okay. So, this seems like a lot of good. Were there any negative consequences to the farming of olives?
Well, there were these terrible rulers in Greece who didn't have a lot of foresight, and they demanded that the olive tree would be the only tree, the agricultural product that could be produced there. And so they cut down massive amounts of their natural forest and greenery and planted olive trees. But the tap roots in the olive trees ruined the soil there after not too long, which affected their agricultural sector for centuries to come, so they couldn't really grow anything else.
Huh, well, Why are olives so useful?
Well, they contain this molecule called oleic acid, which is found in a lot of fats, and that gives it all its properties.
Okay.